If I tell you can create an income stream using nothing but your mobile phone by doing affiliate marketing on Pinterest, would you do it? And if your answer is yes, make sure you watch this video to the end. Right now, millions of people are actively using Pinterest, and when it's used the right way, it can become a powerful earning platform. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do everything step by step using only your phone, including how the system works and how you can get paid. So without wasting any time, let's jump straight into my mobile screen. So the first thing you want to do is open Pinterest on your mobile phone. If you have never created any Pinterest account before, you are going to land on this page. You will see sign up and login. So we are going to click sign up. So next, it's going to ask you to enter your email address. Once you enter, you click next. Now enter a strong password you want to use. I'm going to enter mine. Then once you enter the password, click next. Next is going to give a username. You want to change it, and you want to make sure that username is aligned with what your profile is all about. So once people see your username, they might have already guessed of what your profile is all about. And also it's going to ask for your date of birth. Once you enter it and put your custom username. For this tutorial, I'm going to go with care with Dan. It's going to make sense in a few moments. Once you enter your custom username and the date of birth, just click next. Now it's going to ask you where you live. It's going to automatically put your country there, but you can change it to United States. I highly recommend changing it to United States because that's where you want your traffic to come up the most. Once you choose the country you prefer, click next. Now it's going to ask you what are you in the mood to do. You are going to pick 3 things that interest you, and here I want you to be specific. For this tutorial, we are going to go with something related to beauty or skincare because that's what our username relates to. And for you also, skincare is one of the best products to sell as an affiliate marketing on Pinterest because Pinterest is mostly women. Most of them are looking for beauty stores, so that's one of the best niche to choose on Pinterest if you genuinely want to make money with this. So I personally recommend anything relating to women. For this Pinterest affiliate marketing tutorial, I'm going to pick makeup look, name trend, and outfit for women. Once you are all done, click next, and your own feed should look like this. Now click this save icon at the lower left corner of your phone. Then click your profile pic at the top. Click account management. Click convert to a business account. Then convert to a business account. Now you want to add your profile name. This is the username that people are going to see first. So we are going to go with care with Danny. Next is going to ask you for a website. If you don't have a website, you can literally click next, or you can use this site right here, Beacon AI. I'm going to leave it below. It's so simple to use, and if you want a full tutorial on how to link your product with Beacon AI, drop the comment below so I will know. Maybe I will make my next video on that. Click next. Then it says describe your business. Now you want to pick one of these and click next. Click no. I'm not planning to advertise because all we want is organic growth. We are not going to be running any ads. Then click create account. Click next. Then click explore your profile. Now that our business account is already set up, it's time to edit our profile. Click edit profile. Now open ChatGPT on your phone and tell it to give you the about section for the type of your profile. For me, it's skincare. You can copy and paste this to your about section, but you can also tell it to make it shorter. So I'm going to use the short one that it generates for me. Once you write it, click done. Now add any username that is going to relate to what you are going to be talking about in your profile. Now head over back to ChatGPT. Tell it to create a profile pic for the page. Now ChatGPT is going to generate a image beautiful as this. So once ChatGPT creates it for you, just download it and apply it to your profile. So once you are all finished, click done. So our profile is all set up. Now once your profile is all set up, the worst thing you want to do is start posting. If you start posting content today, there's no how Pinterest wants to push your content to anybody because Pinterest don't know who you are and don't know who to push your content to. So you want to go to the search bar and search for anything relating to what you are going to be talking about in your profile. Then you want to start engaging with them, maybe like 5 to 10 a day. You want to save them and you want to create a board for each pin you save. If you want to create a board, just click the pin you want to save. Once you click save, it's going to pop up this page. Just click create new board. Then you are going to name it. Now make sure you engage with as many Pinterest men as possible. The more you engage, the more likely Pinterest is going to push your content. Because you know this is social media, you have to be active in order for them to reward you. This way, after engaging with few posts a day, then Pinterest will know that you are not just a bot. High chance of going viral on Pinterest is there because Pinterest already know that you are an active user. So make sure before you do anything, engage with content, save it, like it, comment, and follow accounts relating to what you are going to be talking about. Next, go to amazon.com. Once you reach Amazon homepage, you are going to see top bar that said Amazon Associate. Click it. Once you click it, you are going to land on this page. And if you don't see that button, you can simply open your browser and search Amazon Associate. and you are going to land on this page. Now click sign up. Now you are going to enter your account information here. Everything here is simple. You just need to enter the right details. Amazon is available worldwide, so you don't have to worry about anything. Once you are done, click finish. Then your account is all set up. As simple as that. Next, you want to open Amazon and search for the product we are going to be promoting. So we are going to type skincare because our profile is all about skincare. Now we are going to scroll till we find the product we like. Make sure that when you want to log into Amazon, you log in with the email linked to your Amazon associate account. Now because we are on our smartphone, there are some features that won't show on our mobile phone. So now we are going to turn on our mobile desktop mode. For iPhone users, click this three dot to turn on your desktop mode. And if you are using Android, it's going to be somewhere around the top to turn on your desktop mode. Before you turn on your desktop mode, you will notice that this get link button isn't there. Now we want to look for the best product in skincare. Remember, the more expensive the product you are promoting, the more money you are going to make. Go to the top right hand corner and filter it by high to low payout. This is how much people are going to pay to buy the product, and you are going to earn a percentage whenever someone buys through it. Now look for a product you like. Make sure it pays around $200 to $500, and also make sure it's paid between 3 to 10% commission, and also make sure that it has sold out at least 1,000 times. And if you are thinking those percentages are low, I'm going to show you the exact product I promote to earn between 30 to 95% in commission. Now once you see a product that has all the features I just mentioned, choose it. Once you choose it, you are going to see the get link button at the top. Now this is the link that ChatGPT and Pinterest suggest you to promote. So whenever someone make a purchase to it, you are going to earn a commission. Now once you find the product that you are going to promote, go back to ChatGPT. There's no need to type in any prompt. You are just going to go to the continuous channel and tell it to create you 7 video prompts so you can use on Go to create a video. And also, if you want to take it to the next level, you are going to copy the product you are promoting name. Then you are going to paste it. So it's going to generate you 7 video prompts so you can use on Go KI. Now you want to copy one of the prompts ChatGPT has created for you. Then on your mobile phone, you can go to the web browser, Chrome or Safari, and search for Go KI. Or you can download the app from your Play Store or App Store. It's 100% free. And once you're on the home page, you are going to land on the page like this. Then click create videos. Then we are going to paste our prompt here. As you can see, the AI generates a realistic looking video that we can use to promote our product. Let's play it and see.
The sun. Next, a hydrating toner, vitamin C serum for radiance, moisturize, eye cream for the delicate area.
Now if you are satisfied with the video, just click this download button to download it to your mobile device. Next, head over back to Pinterest and click this plus icon. So we are going to create a pin. Now click the video you want to post to Pinterest. You can add a little text at the top of the video, or you can just click next. Now you are going to add a title, description, and a link to our pin. So you don't have to guess any title on UI, just go back to ChatGPT. Always make sure that when you are using ChatGPT, you are continuing with the previous chat, which ChatGPT already know a thing or two about what you are talking about. Just tell it, give me the title and description for the product. It's going to automatically give you description, title for the previous video it generates for you. Now copy and paste the title to your pin title and the description to your pin description. Now go back to Amazon, go to the top and click this get link button. So this is going to be our Amazon affiliate link. But stay with me, I'm going to show you the exact type of product I promote to earn between 30 to 95% in commission. Now once you have copied your link, paste it to your Pinterest pin. Now once you are done, click create. Now you want to add your new pin to a board. I recommend creating a new board for most of the products you are going to be promoting. For example, if you are promoting skincare and some other women material, you want to create a new board for each category. So when people get to your profile will look like a professional account. It's going to look optimized, and this will definitely increase sales. Now once you create a board and add your pin to the board, then you want to click this button that says tag related topic. Now add 10 search tags, so whenever someone search this keyword on Pinterest, your pin will definitely rank for these keywords. Now click done, then create. Now I want to remind you of something. Never promote another product yet. Make sure you just focus on this one product only until you start getting sale. Don't say the product is not converting. Make sure you are consistent every single day. Post like 2 to 3 times every single day. The content are not hard to make. You just have to copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it to Grok, and it's going to generate the video for you. Now the product we are promoting on Amazon is only pay us 3%. Now let's calculate 3% of $527. That is $15.81, and calculate it when we make 200 sales in a month. That is $3,000. That is why I personally recommend selling digital product that has high commission margin, maybe like an offer that will pay you in between $500 to $1,000 in commission. Now I want to quickly show you something important. Most people start with platforms like Amazon, but physical products usually pay very small commission, and when you do the math, it's very hard to build real income that way. This is why I focus more on digital products. Here's a recent commission. Notice how a single sale can generate significantly higher return compared to physical products. When you understand positioning and the right system, you don't need hundreds of sales, you need the right offers. If you are serious about building something long term, I've linked the 72 hours faceless income launchpad for you below. Guide you step by step how to package knowledge people are already willing to pay for, and also how to aim by promoting other people's digital products. Just click the link below to build your own business online and subscribe if you want more practical, no flop brain down like this.